6.6 Smart Light Strip Kit, can cut to length or add additional strips later. Rich color combinations, and tunable white for bias lighting, protect your eyes. Polychrome Technology 16 addressable zones that can animate with LIFX exclusive effects library. Control. Voice, scheduling, scenes, effects, e.g. move, integrations and fade tools like Apple's adaptive lighting, Alexa light alarms or Google Sleep Wake. Wi-Fi. Control from anywhere. No bridge or hub required. Top reviews from the United States. Oh, I love this. Using it for bias lighting on a 40-inch TV, where the last section on both sides follows the curve down the sides of the TV. I have this brand of bulb across my entire house, so I have integrated the color themes with existing scenes in my room, and even have it function as a night light by only lighting up the very ends at 3% brightness in a color that won't hurt night vision.